Hi guys, welcome to another video. Airpods Pro 2nd Gen is now available here in the Philippines. Come and join me in unboxing and doing a quick review of this device. Let's get started. First, let's check the box. This is the front. You will see here the Airpods Pro design. This is the side. And this is the top and the back. Let's open this. Okay, so we have here, as usual, the manual, and we don't have any Apple sticker. Next, the Airpods Pro, and we also have here the charging cable, USB-C to Lightning cable. And we also have the ear tips. So now we have the extra small, and the normal one is here, as well as the large. Let's first check the case. We have here the LED indicator, the linear loop, and at the bottom we have the charging port, and as well as we have now the speaker, so that it could have a sound if we try to use the Find My app. This also acts like an AirTag now, where you can find its precise location using also the Find My app. And this supports now wireless charging. And these are the actual Airpods Pro. Next, for the spec, this has now the new H2 chip, which provides 2 times better active noise cancellation compared to the first gen. It also still has the transparency mode, but they call it now adaptive transparency mode. What it does is, if you enable transparency mode, you can hear the background noise even if you're still wearing the AirPods. And if there's a loud background noise, it will adjust it to comfortable volume level. This also has now new audio drivers, which improve the overall audio quality. And they also introduce personalized spatial audio. What it does is it will scan your face and your ears to give you a more personalized spatial audio experience. Next, to control your device, this still has the force sensor. And now they introduce touch control, where they add a capacitive layer on the Airpods Pro for you to swipe up or down to control the volume level. For the battery life, you can use it up to 6 hours in a single charge, and with the charging case, you can use it up to 30 hours. There you go, guys. Please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel for more tech videos, and see you in the next one.